Like, if you could have seen my face drop. So we said that this corner meant that it equaled 90, right? Since a whole line equals 180, this other part had to be 90. So we went adding x, 2x made us 5x. 5x was set equal to 90. That means 1x equals 18. But what did the question ask us?
Oh, 3x.
How much does 3x equal? So now we have to multiply 3 by 18, which is what gave us 54. So 3, this is why,
I hate that.
anybody, what was 8? A was 18, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Yes. So this is one of those where we had that trick question happening, where they're like, hey, you find one of the right answers along the way, but that's not the right one.
I was looking for a 3x and there wasn't a 3x and somebody wrote 3x in on this.
When you get bullied by the previous owners.
That is so funny. Okay. So are we all good that, stop, don't say that. Are we all good that 8 is C? Yes. How do you get 5? Oh, good question. So we added up x, 2x, and 2x to get 5x. So we divided both sides by 5 to get x by itself.
Oh, is this problem 9
But it's not 8.
8.
8.
What's that?
So the answer is C or A.
C. Because 18 is 1x, we wanted to know what's 3x. Good questions. Okay. So, ooh, I like this next one too. Let's think about this one. So if I'm crossing at -4 and -4, right? I'm not too concerned with what's happening in between. Let's think about the different options that we have. If I'm crossing my y-axis at -4, do you remember that y equals mx plus b formula?
Yeah.
Okay, so b stands for my y-intercept. So this is the part that's gonna be -4. Let's think about what's my slope of this line right now. 1, is it positive or negative? Negative. So this is a -1. So if I wrote this out, it'd be negative x minus 4. So let's look at our options. Are any written with just a right? You okay?
My dad's dead.
Oh, gosh, Clinton.
I did.
Not
Clinton.
It came out.
Now
I'm
I'm
sorry.
gonna cry. Now I'm
Ken,
gonna
I meant to say Ken.
Alright.
I'm sorry.
No.
I
I miss my hero. We went riding last weekend and we went to this park, right?
okay.
And there's another place in Iowa where they had a Labor Day thing that we were thinking about going to, like a big party all weekend long.
Yeah.
And Ronnie Mack was there.
Ron and Mac?
Yeah, Ronnie Mack was there, which is like this huge name, like who I want to be, right?
Okay. So your idol. You could have
My
seen
idol.
him,
And I could have seen him,
and then you didn't.
and I did.
Oh, I'm glad that was a much.
I'm about to
Less.
tear up.
Okay.
I'm so stupid. That's probably like the only
My
time.
heart
I've
dropped
ever-
when you walked in and said that.
I know.
Oh, God.
Like you got to be.
Ron
Yeah.
and Mac.
Okay. Well, that's super sad, but doesn't break my heart as much
You
for
need to play
you.
the song.
So
You gotta play the song.
now let's say, okay,
No.
how do I get this both to have my y and my x on the same side? Because if you look at all the different options for answers, all the y's and the x's are on the same side. How do I get this x to this side? Good stuff. So this is x plus y equals -4. What answer does that represent?
Right?
Let's see if I got this one right.
That would be C.
Wait, is this 9?
See,
It's D.
Oh, no.
I thought it would be A.
It's D.
See,
Can we come to a consensus?
No.
Sorry, I'm just looking at
It
this.
just says D.
If it was A, then Y would have to be negative, though.
that line's going that way.
Good.
That is good.
Yeah, I said A, but
Okay, let's look at all of our answers. We have a lot of A's here, which I completely see because you're seeing that a slope is negative. You're seeing us go through -4. But actually it would have to be C in this scenario. Very good, very good. All right,
All right, so.
So-
Over two.
we have a couple more minutes. We'll go through another one.
Around back. We got 4 minutes.
Okay, so let's do, we'll keep going. Let's do, oh, this one's gonna take quite some time.
Yeah.
So let's do,
15.
yeah, that's fine. Yeah, let's try that one. So in a problem like this, what was your guys' tactics?
Yes.
Okay,
I subtract.
Respectable.
I know that was wrong.
Mad respect.
okay, no, that's a good option though. What else did you guys try to do for this one?
Not answer.
I thought you were gonna hate the onion.
Guess the
Good.
right
What did you
answer.
try for this one, Kenton?
Oh, what is it?
Yeah. What was your tactic?
My tactic?
Yeah,
Was it 13 or 15?
Yeah, we're
Which one
gonna.
were you?
15, yes, 15,
Okay. My only tactic was trying to guess the right answer.
okay.
I-
So did any of us have any, like, besides Bree tried something, did anyone actually try something besides look at it and get confused and guess? So this was definitely a tough one for us. What do you think we could try with this? Now that we're talking about this all together, what are some things that you want to try?
I remember like my freshman year, we did something where like if they matched up, you could subtract one from the other.
Good.
Equation, but I
Yes.
don't know how.
So that would be elimination or substitution. So what do you think? Let's talk about the directions. In the system of equations above, A is a constant. For which of the following values of A does the system have no solution? What do you think no solution would be for a system of equations? What does it look like maybe when something has no solution? All right, so we're maybe not equal. So if I ended up with like a 5 equals 4, is that like a true statement?
No.
Right, so Lucas's point is exactly right. So maybe, let's try this. What would make something not true in this equation? So we will have to try substitution. So even this one's gonna be a longer one that we're likely gonna, I know, it just keeps pouring. We're likely gonna, all of these are a little bit longer that we'll have to test tomorrow.
So what exactly is the answer to this?
We're not gonna talk about it yet.
Oh, come on, I wanna know if I got at least one. right.
Okay, I'll tell you. It is for 13, C,
13 or 15?
13. Oh, for 15, sorry, A.
Wait.
What's
I
14?
got
Yeah!
15 right.
There we
The
go.
only one I don't.
What's what?
14.
14 is B.
Damn it.
Woo! Hey, Connor,
I quit.
we don't cuss.
I do.
Nope, we don't, not in here. Okay.
I quit. I got.
I would like all of your stuff back.